I have all my ingredients laid out. I'm going to be following the recipe off of the back of the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. And I'm going to be starting off with the first batch made at the temperature suggested by the recipe. Okay, so I have everything mixed in here according to the recipe, and I'm going to take 1 ice cream scoop of each for each cookie and place it on the tray, and I'm going to do 5 cookies for each temperature. So again, this is the one that's at 350 degrees, which is what the recipe calls for. Okay, I'm going to put that in the oven and cook for the desired time according to the recipe. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to take this batch out of the oven. This is the 350 degree batch. And I'm going to measure the length of each cookie. So this one here is about 3.5 inches. This one is almost 4 inches. That one is 3.5 inches, about 3 inches, and about 4.25 inches for the big one. So roughly they're all about 3.5 inches. I'll figure out the exact math later. And then I'm going to put them onto this tray and have them cool and get ready for our next batch. Okay, now we're ready for the second batch. This one's going to be put at 375 degrees. Again, we're going to do 1 ice cream scoop of cookie dough in each cookie. And we're going to put 5 cookies on the tray again. And then we're going to cook them for 11 minutes, just like the other batches. And the oven, and start the timer. These are the cookies that were baked at 375 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and measure them again. This one is about 3 inches, about 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches, and about 3.5 inches. Okay, so they're all 3.5 inches. And now I'm going to get ready for the third batch, which is going to be at 400 degrees. Okay, and this is our third batch at 400 degrees. So let's go ahead and measure our 5 cookies. We have the first one at about 3.5. Second one at about 3.5. The next one about 3 3/4. 3.5, and about 3.5 again. So on average, 3.5.
The safer things that keeps us on the broken workers' days. To the west of find us look up promised land, where machines replace our minds with systematic profit plans. Course of human progress take us like a drunk. It's such a quick